Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a quick video on how to soft reset your LG Phoenix 4 phone. It's free and easy. To begin with, if your phone's been freezing up or slowing down on you, or if you have even been getting some errors on your phone, then a soft reset might just do the trick in fixing your phone for you. And in essence, what it does is resets everything on your phone back to factory default settings. And in the course of this happening, it will delete everything on your phone. And that means all your photos, your contact information, your texts, your pictures, your music, all of that will be deleted off of your phone completely and permanently. So if you want to keep any of your personal information on your phone, then you need to do a backup of your phone to a USB device or a hard drive. And I'll show you how to do that in another video, but not in this one. So we want to just focus on how to reset your phone, and that's what we're going to go about doing here. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. First of all, make sure your phone is powered on and you are logged into your phone. Once you are, go ahead and swipe down and press on the settings icon. And that takes you into settings, and we can go ahead and press on the general tab there. And once you are here, we can go ahead and scroll on down and press the reset button. And that'll take you to this screen here, which gives you three options: network settings reset, reset app preferences, or factory data reset. And the factory data reset is the one that we are going to go ahead and press on because it will delete all data. And this tells you that this will delete all data, like I just said, from internal storage, including login data, system and app data, all downloaded apps, digital rights management, licenses, music, images, documents, and backups, and other data as well. So if you want to keep anything, you should definitely do a backup to a USB flash drive or a hard drive before doing this reset, if you want to keep all your information and put it back on your phone after the factory data reset is done. Okay, so I press the reset phone, and that brings up delete all data and download apps. This cannot be undone. And keep that in mind, this cannot be undone. So when you're ready, press on delete all, and you get one last warning here. Your phone will restart twice. This may take longer than usual. Do not remove the battery during the factory reset. So keep those points in mind, and when you're ready and comfortable, press reset or cancel if you changed your mind. And if you did press reset, then the phone will go ahead and reboot, and then it goes and erases everything on your phone, and then you'll get the LG logo back on the display here, followed by the AT&T logo. In my case, depending on which carrier you're with, you may get a different logo or you may not. And then you'll get the Android starting up screen, and you can see I get a little progress bar here and percentage here of completion. Once this is done, I get the welcome screen, and then I am ready to set this phone up just like as if it was brand new right out of the box after I bought it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like.